We're losing short-term memory.
That explains why he forgot his keys again.
Massive caffeine surge incoming!
Whoa, it's everywhere!
Stabilize the energy systems! Valves are at max! Hold steady, we're gaining control! How long has the human been awake?
20 hours without proper rest.
That's far too long, we must intervene.
Captain, his brainwaves are erratic. We're losing short-term memory. The books are glitching. I'll grab the backups. That explains why he forgot his keys again.
Emotions are becoming unstable! Keep anxiety below critical levels!
We can't keep running like this.
Heartbeat rising, stress pressure increasing fast!
The sleep gates are blocked by screen light.
If sleep fails, the entire system weakens.
Attention span dropping rapidly!
Now we're officially in trouble.
The beams are collapsing, run! Power's failing everywhere, help!
Exhausted minds are easy to control.
It's getting stronger! Oh no!
All departments hold your positions!
He's finally letting go. Sleep sequence initiated. Energy levels rising again. Memory systems restored.
Excellent recovery, everyone.
The panic warnings are gone.
Stabilized at optimal levels.
Great work. The emotion center is calm.
Even the greatest machine needs rest.
Every night, your brain repairs the world inside you. Protect your sleep, because your body never stops fighting for you.